How to enable back tap to open camera on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you just want to hit the back of your iPhone like this to open your camera, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and then subscribe. Now, to enable back tap to open camera on iPhone, all you just need to go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Then on the settings page, just like this, you want to scroll down, click on accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down and then click on touch. Now under touch, you want to scroll down the page until you get to back tap. Click on that. Then locate, double tap, triple tap. Then here under back tap, you have double tap and triple tap. Then click on double tap. Then once you are on the double tap page, locate camera and click on it. Then once you click on the camera option, hit the back button. Then exit the page. Now when next you double tap the back of your iPhone, then you should see the camera open just like this. So that is basically how to enable back tap to open camera on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.